Hey, what up, KX crew? Today we're going to be talking about the Landmine Press. This is going to be the first video in a series of videos where I talk about some of my favorite exercises and why. So, the Landmine Press, traditionally done with a barbell inside of one of these hinge mechanisms, allows you to press the barbell into the air while keeping it steady. If you don't have one of these mechanisms, you can obviously just stick it in the corner. Just be careful that you're not damaging the property so the gym owners don't hate you. So, set my phone here. Okay, what's nice about it, you can rest it on your shoulder between reps. Grab it near the top here. Press towards the hinge, right? Control it on the way down. It's nice because it's a free weight exercise that is somewhat guided, but still has that element of control that's required as if you were using a dumbbell. If you've ever done this before, you'll notice it's shaky, it's wavery, right? You have to be on your game when you're using it, but it still kind of keeps you on a path. It's also nice that it is at an incline, right? It's nice to go straight up overhead, obviously, but it's more comfortable at an incline. It more replicates what it would feel like to put something on the top shelf. So I would document this as a highly functional exercise. There is other ways that we can do this. I'll just end this with one example here. It's like 5 a.m. at the gym. There's no one here yet. Okay, like right here, this is a shoulder press machine that you would normally sit and press up. But what you can do is you can walk up to it, right? I don't know if a mirror would even be more helpful here, right? Walk up to it. There's a mirror over there too. Sorry about the music, I'm right under a speaker. Rack it at your shoulder and then press up and away. You follow that path. And that's it, okay? That's the alternative. And that is the Landmine Press. So stay tuned for more exercises.